In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the vendor name on Shopify. This is useful if you want to update supplier information, organize your products better, or correct an existing vendor name. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Shopify official website. Click on the login button and sign in using your Shopify email and password. Once you're inside the Shopify admin dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Products. This section contains all the products listed in your Shopify store. Now select the product whose vendor name you want to change. You can scroll through the product list or use the search bar to find it quickly. After opening the product page, scroll down until you find the Organization section. Inside this area, you'll see a field labeled Vendor. Click inside the vendor field and type the new vendor name you want to use. You can either enter a completely new vendor name or select an existing one from the drop-down suggestions. Once you've updated the vendor information, click Save at the top or bottom of the page to apply the changes. Your product will now display the updated vendor name throughout your Shopify store and admin dashboard. If you want to update multiple products at once, Shopify also allows bulk editing through the Products section, which can save a lot of time for larger stores. And that's it. You now know how to change a vendor name on Shopify quickly and easily. Thanks for watching.